Welcome to another video, another day of trading. So today I have this chart right here. This is the 4 hour of the ES. So what I'm looking for and I'm looking at right now is that we have this upside movement right here, and then we have this retracement that is touching right now the 75% of this previous movement. Also, we are touching this green candle right here, which can act as an order block, and also we are touching this fair value gap right here. So to me it's a good opportunity to go long, but I don't expect this to go long to the and touch this top right here. I expect this to go long here and then try to go to the downside and take this sell side liquidity right here in this swing low. So if I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see here that we are touching, we're here in the 75% retracement of this movement, and we are touching this fair value gap right here, and also this inversion fair value gap here. So the same thing, what I'm expecting is the price to create some liquidity here, internal liquidity here in the 1 minute, and then get a shift in market structure and try to go long to attack these relative equal highs. Also this part right here, this fair value gap, this imbalance right here to the sell side. So that's what I'm expecting, and I'm gonna mark areas where I can place a target or where I think the price can go. So this is relative equal highs, this and this one, and we have this fair value gap areas right here that could be a target as well. So let me show it to you. I'm gonna mark it that the first target could be here. It doesn't mean that my target in a trade will be here, because I'm targeting always 1 to 1. So but I expect the price to go to these levels right here. Okay, so let's wait for the setup to appear and let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm inside the trade. I have this movement to the upside that breaks this structure, sorry. And then we have this retracement right here below the 50% of this movement, and I decided to enter here, and my stop is here. I don't know if that's the best area, but that gives me the maximum amount of stop, which is 15 candles, and then we have another 15 candles here to the upside. Okay, so let me show you here. You can see it better in the 15-minute chart. I'm gonna expand this window. So here I have this fair value gap right here. Price closes above the fair value gap, then retraces, and all the close of the candles of these candles, this one and this one, is above the 50% of that fair value gap. Then we have the retracement here, and we are going to the upside. So I expect this to go to my target, which is above these highs right here. So this is in the 1 minute, this is the retracement. I mark this inversion fair value gap right here in red, and then we have the fair value gap here that is below the 50% area. So I expected that this thing touch those fair value gaps and then go to the upside faster. So as you can see here, I also have this fair value gap right here. So I entered here because we close in the upper half of this fair value gap, and I expect price to go with a lot of speed to the upside. So let's see if I can get the run to the target, which is in this area right here. I like this area because also we have this imbalance right here, and that's a good place to expect the price to go. As you remember, my targets are this buy side liquidity right here, and also this fair value gap right here, and also this one right here. Okay, so let's see if I can get the movement, and let's wait a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, trade is going to in my favor, but I'm moving the stop a little bit higher because I touched these fair value gaps and also this fair value gap in 15 minutes. So I'm going to the platform, almost in my target, but I'm gonna move the stop here. Okay, so that to me is a good place because it's below this low. And let's see what happens. Let's see if you can see the trade uh, reach to my target and take the profits. Okay, so that's a new win. I like this trade because I waited for the setup, and it went to my target without almost any drawdown. So if I show you here the 1 hour, what I expect right now is this thing to go to this fair value gap and then maybe continue the going lower. That's a prediction that I have. I don't know if I'm gonna be correct, but if you can see this buy side liquidity right here is uh, is the low of this fair value gap, so maybe we are going to get there. Okay, so that's the trade for today. Good trade again, and see you next time.